Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how to remove or delete a tag. Two different things. I'll show you both ways to get it done. The first would be to remove a tag. This means you just want to remove that tag from a contact or multiple contacts at a time. Deleting a tag is where you actually want to remove that tag completely out of your command. You're deleting the tag, you're deleting it off of any contacts, and you'd also remove it from anything like lead routing or smart plan triggers. So I'll show you how to do both of those things today. First, let's look at removing the tag from contacts. You can go to your contacts tab here. You can use your filters to find the contacts that have that particular tag. We'll go with this tag. Hit apply so that you can see the contacts that currently have that tag, as you can see here. And when you'd like to remove that tag, you can either select the contacts that you want to remove it from, or select all. And from your bulk action menu, scroll down and choose Remove Tags. This is the tag that we want to remove today, so we can check the box beside it. If you have more than one tag you want to remove at a time, you can just go ahead and select those tags as well, or select all to remove all the tags from these contacts. We would never recommend that though. You want to keep some tags on them so they'll easily be searchable within your database. Once you've selected the tag that you want to remove, click Remove Selected. This will update your contacts. We're going to hit the refresh button on our browser just so that we can see the updated information. There we go. And so now we have our contacts here, and you can see that that tag has been removed. Again, removing a tag simply takes that tag off of those specific contacts you want to remove it from, but the tag still exists within your command, and you can go ahead and apply that to any kind of smart plan as a trigger or a lead route rule if you'd like, or apply it to contacts again. It still exists, but you've removed it from specific contacts that you want it to be removed from. To delete a tag, to actually delete it completely out of your command system, you would do that back in your settings. So go to your name at the top right, come down to settings. On the left-hand side, go to command settings, go to contacts, and then go to contact tags. Now, some of the tags back here are system tags. That means they were created by the system itself. Command, and I'm going to expand this view so that I can show you what one of the system tags looks like. There we go. So you can see in the created by column, it says created by system, and you'll notice that the pencil and the trash can are completely grayed out. We're unable to select them. System tags cannot be edited or deleted. So you can focus on the tags that you have created yourself. So in the created by column, you should see your own name. You can also search for the tags here. We'll search for the tag that we want to delete. May take just a moment if you have a lot of tags. And this is the tag right here that we would like to delete completely out of our command. So we'll come over here to the trash can and click the trash can to delete them. It lets you know there is no undo button, so be absolutely sure you want to permanently delete this. It does let you know if it is currently attached to any contacts. Deleting this tag will remove that tag from these contacts. For the smart plans, if you currently have the tag set up as a trigger tag within that smart plan, it will remove that trigger tag from the smart plan once you delete this tag. If by chance you had this tag as a lead routing rule, it will also delete that tag from that lead routing rule. Again, no undo button, but when you're ready, go ahead and click Yes, Delete everywhere. This is a new feature, by the way. Command used to stop you and prevent you from deleting the tag if it was attached to any contacts or being used in any marketing. So this is a brand new feature for your convenience. And once you click delete, notice you got that green banner letting you know the tag has been deleted and we no longer see it back here in our contact tags. If you did that by mistake, you can always go into your command database and create that tag new or create it from right here as well. If you have any questions about creating tags, we do have another tip video called Add and Remove Tags, also working with tags. So definitely check out those tip videos if you'd like to learn more. And if you have any questions about anything related to your KW platform, you can always reach out to us via email. That's support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.